you ever wondered why elders sometimes stop you and say, don't do that? Or they say, this thing will not end well. And you're thinking, but I just started now. There's a Yorùbá proverb for that. Let's break it down. Ọmọdé means child. Gé igi, cutting a tree. Àgbà, elder. Ibi tí ó wò sí, where it will fall. So this literally means when a child is cutting a tree in the forest, the elders already know where it will fall. Imagine a young child cutting down a huge tree. That child is focusing on the excitement of cutting it, but the elder is watching carefully, already knowing, this tree is going to fall this way. Why? That's because experience teaches what excitement cannot see. This proverb teaches that elders can often predict the outcomes from the beginning of someone's action, not because they are controlling, but because they have seen life before. Sometimes, the habits you think are harmless, the decisions you think are small, the path you think are exciting, an elder can already see where they may lead. And honestly, as we grow older, we start becoming the elder too. You begin to look at certain choices and you think, this may not end well. That is experience speaking. Bí ọmọdé bá ń gégi nígbó, àgbà ló mọ ibi tí ó wò sí. Wisdom is not just about seeing what is happening now. It's about seeing where it is likely to end.